Hi! In front of me is iPad mini 2021 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to find an app called Voice Memos and tap on it. Now choose Allow Voice or Allow while using the app. Then click on this red button to start your recording. You can click on this left button over here to pause it or unpause it. If you wish to end it and save it, click on this right one and tap on your current name of your recording to change it. When you're done, click on this little icon over here, and as you can see, my recording was successfully created. You can always delete it by clicking on this bin icon over here. And as you can see, now it's gone. If you wish to create the other recording, click on this red button one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!